terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
Okay, here we go. We're flying the stock Mob8 still. It's with plugs and everything. Stupid little 300 battery is still getting me 4 minutes of flight time. We're in a sketchy area. Let's go have some fun.
Ah.
You didn't just...
Can you unplug?
Oh, yeah. Woo! Okay, it's bad. It's right in front of us.
Oh.
When I plug, something bad happened?
I saw you, like, your screen.
Okay. Okay. You're right next to me. You're right next to us. I think
I
you...
see us.
Yeah, just... No, just... Go, it's right there. Yeah, just unplug it, replug your motor. I think your motor needs to be replugged. Oh, you know what? I'm not on R1. I'll put myself on R1. I love that feeling. Just check, make sure it works. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, let's go. Don't plug in unless you make sure your friend is not on your channel.
Yeah.
We had a little close call. A little bit of excitement. Wait, why do I see Tiny Butt? Oh, Tiny Brit.
That's me.
Tiny Butt.
Tiny Brit.
Yeah, I know. Just the first thing I saw was like Tiny Butt. I was like, ooh. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, am I recording? I don't know if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Woo! Yeah!
Telemetry lost.
Oh, why am telemetry lost?
Telemetry recovered.
Man. I wonder if my RX is on like 10 milliwatt like always. I'm going to keep this pack close.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Woo!
Telemetry lost.
Yeah, no, that's not exciting. Woo!
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Oh, the stupid things.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Oh, oh no.
That's flying that thing.
What?
Especially around like the side, the early side.
Oh, yeah.
Like I've several times thought it was just gonna slam.
You know what they say about the fans? When they come,
It's little, it's harmless. Damn.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
You see the cars?
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry
Sometimes it doesn't.
recovered.
Sometimes it doesn't. Actually, I'm not sure if I have to.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Why am I getting the weird telemetry crap? Scary,
Telemetry
man.
lost.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. You know what? My bloody ceramic thing is a little bit cracked. 3, 2, 1, armed. Woo! That was fun.
Yes, sir.
Telemetry
recovered. Daddy, look, Daddy.
Oh, I didn't record that.
Look, Daddy.
Damn it.
Look, Daddy.
That was a good one. That was sick.
Okay.
I had a sick pack. I was like ripping, bouncing up, down through the cars. What? Yeah.
This one doesn't have ducks.
Let me just make sure this is on the right channel.
Yeah. I have to see if this one's on.
Yeah, you do that.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, armed. Let's go. We're doing one more pack in the mall, and then we're getting out of here. There was too much security, so we're just gonna go across the street into the arcade, whatever that is.
You're gonna go into
See ya.
the arcade.